Students won't need to wear masks at school starting March 12th in California. Governor Gavin Newsom announced today that the state will remove the school mask mandate. Also in Washington and Oregon, the governors there made the same announcement. Action News Now reporter Ryan Ketchum breaks down what you need to know about this new change for the state school system.
Masks will now be optional whether you're vaccinated or not for everyone in schools across the state for the first time since the pandemic began. Several parents say it's about time they dropped the school mask mandate.
I think it's a fantastic decision. I think it should have been done a long time ago, and I'm just happy it's going to be done. There is an end date since we've been through so much over 2 years.
The decision is up to the school district, though, on if they will follow the state guidelines. Some school districts will not, as San Francisco Unified School District will still require masks. California Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. Mark Ghali says the data supports this change.
This feels like the right time. It said there's the data that supports it, both on the transmission end and the hospital impact sides.
Masks will still be strongly recommended after the change, though.
The strong recommendation is something to reinforce that we're not just moving from required to optional, but that there's gradations here.
Many students tell me they're just happy to know they don't need to wear a mask to class anymore. Several students say it's been distracting having to learn with a mask on.
They were annoying often, especially when doing like projects where you had to talk and like it would quiet and muffle your voice, which is really annoying.
It's been really annoying in school for me. I'm in band, I play the French horn, and we're having to wear like masks with holes in them, and they're really uncomfortable. You can't breathe in it. It doesn't really make sense in my opinion.
Chico Unified School District Superintendent Kelly Staley says they will follow the state's guidelines. Masks and COVID testing will still be available for all students and staff after March 12th. Reporting in Chico, I'm Ryan Ketchum. Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
The state also announced that unvaccinated people will no longer have to wear masks in most public indoor spaces starting tomorrow.